What's up, everybody? Welcome to my second video. In my second video, we're not going to be going over my Robinhood account, which I'm trying to move from $75 to $10,000. Right now, we're going to go over my main account, which is on TD Ameritrade, and the stock ticker symbol we're going to be talking about today is OPTI, Optec International. I would also like to call them OPTI, so let's get to it. OPTI is currently trading at 6 cents, which is a steal. It's up 17% on the day. So OPTI, for a company profile, this is Optec International. They provide fuel technologies and lighting products. The company's products include Optec Fuel Maximizer and the Optec Light Emitting Diode. So this company has a wide range of sector usage. So now we're going to come here to the market cap, which is interesting to me. This is what caught my attention. The market cap is 596,000, but we'll touch back on that later. But anyways, let's take a look at the chart. As you can see here on the 1-day chart, we are up 17%, which is awesome. And then here on the 5-day chart, you can see that we kind of caught support down here around the 4 cents level. And then that's when we ran up to the 6 cent level, which is where we are right now. Anyways, on the 1 month, we see a nice recovery to our current price, just hovering below 3 cents at 2 cents. And then it just ran up to where it's at now. And here it was at 9 cents from a previous run and then took the dip that I have previously mentioned. On the 6-month chart, it's ran up pretty decent, and then on the 5-year chart, it has touched dollars, which is very interesting to me because I believe it could touch dollars again. With that being said, here is why. The company filed an 8K form on November 2nd, and here is the most interesting part. The bank certifies funds in excess of $2 billion. $2 billion is a lot of money, especially when you're trading at 6 cents on the OTC market, which is why this company has originally caught my attention. At $2 billion, you'd think you'd at least see a company at $1, but no, that's not the case here. The company that I believe is on the other end of this $2 billion deal is 3M. This company is trading at $167.05 on the NYSE. So this company has more than enough money to fund $2 billion to Optec, but this is very speculative from my point of view. On the other hand, 3M also operates in similar sectors as Optec, including the electronics and health sectors, which also leads me to believe that there may be some sort of association, assuming that there was 3M paperwork in the Optec office. But as we move forward and continue to look more into this company, here are some of their products. This is the eye wand, which is one of my favorite products because it kills bacteria and it is handheld. This is also another product right here, which is the rover, which is one of their more expensive products, but one of their most beneficial products, as well as it emits high intensity UV light. And to combat COVID even more, the company has also been creating face masks, which are their biomask right here. The company has also been doing a respectively well job at advertising their products. As you can see, they have the Optec eye wand right here, right in the middle of a busy streetway on a billboard. And as we all know, billboards are not cheap. So somewhere they are getting the money to fund all of this advertisement along with their online advertisement. With all that being said, I really think that Optec has a very, very huge upside potential. I definitely think this thing can see a nice run to at least an upwards of 10 to 20 cents per share, if not more, because it has so much upside for it. Got its foot in the EV space. It's also got its foot on a COVID plate, and with Joe Biden possibly being elected, I mean, it's pretty much already written in stone, but it's 2020, guys. It's 2020. That's all I can say right there. But with him being in office, there's definitely going to be a lot of COVID talk. I know he's going to address it, and this could play in Opti's favor. They've also got things like Kevin Harrington, Shark Tank investor, going for them, which is very, very huge, along with Dr. Drew, which, if you don't know who Dr. Drew is the teen mom doctor. That's what a lot of us know him as. And I think this is a really, really big, great play for them right here because they added him to the board. And with them adding him to the board, that not only makes it just that much more credible to have a doctor on your side, It also gives them the opportunity to branch out and get in front of way more people. They've already gotten on the Forbes and gotten a lot of views from that, but they can also get in front of way more people because they have people like Dr. Drew on their side, people like Kevin Harrington. They both have very large followings, and if you guys know anything about Teen Mom, millions of people watch this show, and I'm pretty sure this guy just says one word about any of Optec's products, people are going to jump on it. So with all that being said, I really think that Optec can have a huge run. It has great upside potential for both long-term and short-term investors. I think either way you go, you're coming out of this with some sort of money. But that's just my opinion. As always, do your due diligence, do your research, guys. It's all about research. Stock market investing can sometimes become educated gambling, depending on how you want to look at it. But anyways, guys, that's all I've got for today's video. If you like my content, leave a like, comment, think about subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.